everyone, welcome back. In today's video, I'm going to share with you a very easy and simple chicken pepper soup recipe. Now let's get started. First, you will need some pieces of chicken. Next is these fresh scotch bonnet peppers. Then here we have 2 bulbs of onions, some peeled ginger and garlic. For the leaves, I'll be using these Utazi leaves. This gives the soup that bittersweet taste. Here are some ripe plantain. Some people prefer potatoes and yam. Next is our Lasor pepper soup spices. Here is the star of the show. Please don't miss this particular ingredient. It gives that original pepper soup flavors. Finally, we have our Knorr seasoning cubes and salt. To start, add your already washed chicken into a pot. Then some blended peppers. Next, your blended ginger and garlic and your blended onions. Sprinkle 1 tablespoon of salt to taste. Next, add 2 Knorr seasoning cubes and then give it a very good mix. After that, go in with your Lasor chicken spices. I really love this in my chicken pepper soup. Give it a gentle mix. And then go in with your hot chili peppers. Cover and allow it to simmer for some minutes. While the meat is still steaming, let's prep the plantains. This is already neatly washed. I'll go ahead to peel the plantain. I love cooking my chicken pepper soup or any other pepper soup that I'm making with plantains for a satisfying balanced meal. Not just that, it contains lots of fibers, vitamins and minerals, making it a nutritious comfort meal that is filling and aids digestion. Like I said earlier, you can actually replace the plantain with some sweet/Irish potatoes or even yam. It all depends on your preference and what is readily available in your kitchen. If you watched up to this point and you love my recipe, please do well to click the subscribe button. Thank you. At this point, I'm done peeling the plantains. Now I'll cut them into smaller cubes, transfer into a bowl and set it aside. "20 minutes later, our chicken is 50% cooked. So I'll go on to add extra diced onions, some roughly blended fresh peppers. I'll give it a gentle stir, then add 1 Knorr seasoning cube. Next is our Lasor pepper soup spices. Then go in with 2 cups of water to form the soup base. Stir really well to combine. Taste and adjust the seasoning too. I added a little more salt to taste, then poured in our diced plantains. After adding our diced plantain, I'll give everything a good mix. Cover and cook until the meat is tender. The next step is to prep our vegetable, and I'm using Utazi leaf like I mentioned earlier. You don't need much, just about 2 to 3 leaves of Utazi is enough since it's a very bitter leaf, so make sure to add in moderation. Slice very thinly and set aside. Our pepper soup has been cooking for about 20 minutes now. As you can see, everything is well cooked. The plantain is soft and the chicken is tender. So it's time to add the last ingredients, which is the Utazi leaf. I sprinkled in a handful of Utazi leaf, stir very well to combine, and our pepper soup is ready. So I'll go ahead to off the heat. If you are a subscriber from my old channel, I'm sure you already know that I love to serve my pepper soup with some hot white rice. So I served my very delicious chicken pepper soup with white rice and it tasted amazing. I'm sure you will love to try my recipe. Please let me know the outcome when you do so. Thank you for watching and I'll see you in my next one.